Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Long Long! It's your birthday! Happy birthday, our Long Long! Hello, Long! Happy birthday! Welcome to Ligali. And more birthday to come. Hi, Long! Happy birthday! Unta ka kanina. Maabot mo mga future is maabot mo ganun yung mga wala, happy birthday, thank you. Kaya naabot sa mga kinabuhi. Isa to ka na. Aming lukapay ka o kaling tapukay ka. Birthday ko. Hi, Long! Happy 18th birthday. More birthday to come. And kani sa imo pilion nga course pohon is mag-success ka and malipay ka nga kanang gikuha and di mini mo malimtan nga imong amigo sa senior high.
Hi, Long. Happy birthday. So, ako maingon lang sa inyo. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. See you.
Hi, Long. Happy 18th birthday. Galas yung kanon. So, ngayon na sa imo ha. Punta, mga kanukas, stay positive lang. And then, focus na kasi mong kaugalingan mo. Grow ka, mo learn ka, ma-figure out ibo kung kung saan hindi mo ang gusto. And pwede pa ko na. Ay, ano ang hotspot? Unta, sa lahat. Ay, try ka rin din kayo. So, unta, mag-stay ka hapon na ng friendship. Even though nga, bulag-bulag na takarin mo na year, no? So, yeah, kadala, happy birthday again.
Hi, Long! So, happiest birthday sa imo, hadi ay, no? Grabe, 18 na ta. Unya, inanagap ng bata sa ay, joke lang. So, happy birthday. We're really glad na nakasama ang life karon and grateful kaayo me. So, happy birthday, Long. Unta, sa imo future, gindot kaayo, madayon imong mga dreams and everything. Thank you for being in our lives. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Long Long! Happy, my dear boy, and I love you so much. Thank you for making me happy always. And then, saloso kay ko, girl, and thank you very much kay Juan ka na. Juan kay ka pa ng... Juan kay ka pa ng Jintel. Jintel! Tapos sana all! Happy birthday, my dear boy. I love you so much. And thank you kay God kay gihatag mo sa ako na friends and Marco. Happy birthday. I love you.